I'm really pleased to launch the Summer Reading Challenge 2020. The Reading Challenge is the UK's biggest annual reading programme, but as like with many other things, we'll be doing it just a little bit differently this year. When you join the challenge, you will be asked to set yourself a reading goal for the summer. We recommend that you set your goal at 6 books, but you're free to pick whichever number is right for you. You can use any book you like to complete the challenge: fiction, fact books, poetry, joke books, picture books, audiobooks. They all count. Just visit your local library service website to borrow ebooks and audiobooks free of charge, or order real books from your library through the click and collect services. Each time you finish a book, make sure you add it to your Silly Squad profile, give it a rating and leave a review. Your profile will show you your progress in the challenge, and keep reading so that you meet your goals. You'll unlock digital rewards along the way, and there's also a certificate to download and keep when you make it all the way to the end of your goal. So, good luck, and do let me know which books that you've enjoyed the most this summer. And for more information about how to get involved, please click on the link above.